sim racers. Today we are looking at the Wheelstand 2.0 from Next Level Racing. If you're looking for a convenient way to enhance your sim racing experience and you're limited in space to install a full cockpit, this could be the best solution for you, as this is a foldable design with a chair cradle. Without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. In the box, you get the instruction manual, all the parts, the fixtures, and 2 Allen keys. As you can see, the parts are made of carbon steel, well built, very strong, matte black colors, very nice. Now that we are done with the unboxing, let's set it up and test it. Let's start with the legs of the frame. Let's open it up. Now we're gonna need one of these knobs to secure the base over here. Next, the pedal stand. As you can see over here, the slight lip over here is the lower part. Let's place the fixtures well aligned with the holes. We use the washer, put in place into position the bolt. Now let's place the pedal stand into position. This goes into here. As you can see, it slides in to allow you to adjust it to your liking. Taking 2 of these knobs, you can see the alignment of screws over here. Let's put them in place. I'm gonna do that for both sides. Obviously, you can adjust it to your liking. Next, we're going to place the shelf on which the wheelbase will sit like this. For the wheelbase shelf, we're going to use the 55mm M8 bolts with the washers. Now let's secure this bolt on the other end with the knobs. To adjust the wheel stand height, remove these 2 bolts over here by using the Allen keys on both sides. Then pull it. Then secure it back with the bolts. Onto the shifter mount. This shifter mount can be mounted on both sides, right and left side. If you mounted it on the right side, it has to go this way. And in case you're mounting it in the left side, it has to go this way. In my case, my scenario is going to be on the right side. So I'm going to mount it this way and place it into position on the wheel stand. I'm going to slide it in and attach it with the M8 bolt with the washer. Secure it in place. Now let's mount the shifter plate. This shifter plate has a gap over here that goes over here on the shifter arm. And then using the M8 bolt 55mm with the washer, secure it into place. On the other end, use the knobs to untighten them up. The shifter mount is assembled now. Let's install it. Using the M8 bolts 15mm in length, we're gonna place the shifter mount into place. Moving on to the chair cradle, this is where your gaming chair will sit, so that it doesn't move when you push hard on the pedals, especially the brake pedals. We're going to install this using the M8 bolt. with these two brackets, one for each side. Now you got 5 holes over here. These holes allow you to adjust the distance between the cradle and the main frame. In my case, I'm gonna set it at the last position. This could be adjusted later on if it is found to be too far. Doing the same thing on the other side. Now coming to the feet, we just need to lift up the main frame and screw these feet into position. Now the full frame is assembled. I'm going to use the Allen key to tighten all the bolts tightened by hands. Now the wheel stand is fully assembled. We're going to install now the Logitech G923, the pedals and the shifter, and then test it. Let's start with the pedal. We're going to place it upside down. And untighten them with the Allen key. As you can see, there are some other holes. You can put 6 of them. I've decided to put only 4. I think it's gonna be enough for me. But you could do it otherwise if you wish to. Now let's attach the wheelbase, but before that we're going to connect the shifter on the pedals and then mount it on the wheelbase shelf. Now let's complete the setup by performing cable management using these clips that came with the packaging. Alright guys, the wheel stand is all set up. Let's try it and see how it performs. It's really good. It performs really well. Very stable, no flex at all, as you can see. It's foldable. It doesn't take much space. So for those who are having space issues, I think that's the best wheel stand you can go for. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and hope this video helped you decide whether you want to go for this wheel stand or not. All right, guys, see you in another one.